Hey there, builders and makers. Today we're diving into something really cool and important, using technology to save resources. Specifically, we're talking about how a little device called an Arduino can help us build a smarter way to water our plants. Now, you might be thinking, Adam, watering plants isn't exactly rocket science. And you're right, it's not. But it'd be a big waste of water if we're not careful. That's where Arduino comes in. It's like a tiny computer that we can program to control things in the real world. With a bit of know-how, we can use it to build an automatic irrigation system that waters our plants only when they need it. Not only will this save us water, but it'll also save us money on our water bill. Plus, it's a really fun and rewarding project that anyone can do. So what exactly do we need to build our Arduino-powered irrigation system? Let's break down the components. Arduino. This is the brains of our operation. It's going to be making all the decisions about when to turn the water on and off. Water level sensor. This sensor will tell the Arduino how much water is left in our reservoir so we don't run dry. Servo motor. We'll use this little motor to open and close a valve that controls the flow of water to our plants. Photoresistor. This sensor measures light levels. We can use it to tell if it's daytime or nighttime so we don't water our plants in the middle of the night. Soil moisture sensor. This is a crucial component. This sensor will tell us how dry the soil is around our plants. If it's too dry, the Arduino will know to water them. Mini submersible pump. This pump will be submerged in our water reservoir and will be responsible for actually pumping the water to our plants. That might seem like a lot of parts, but don't worry, they're all relatively inexpensive and easy to find online or at your local electronics store. Plus, putting it all together is half the fun. Okay, so we've got all our parts, but how do they all work together? It's actually pretty simple. First, we program our Arduino to read the data from our sensors. The soil moisture sensor will be constantly checking how dry the soil is. If the soil is too dry, it sends a signal to the Arduino. The Arduino also checks the photoresistor to make sure it's daytime. We don't want to be watering our plants in the middle of the night. It also checks the water level sensor to make sure we have enough water in our reservoir. If the soil is too dry, it's daytime, and we have enough water, then the Arduino sends a signal to the servo motor. The servo motor then opens the valve, allowing water to flow to our thirsty plants. Once the soil moisture sensor detects that the soil is sufficiently wet, it signals the Arduino to turn off the pump. The servo motor then closes the valve, and the system goes back to monitoring the soil moisture for the next watering cycle. Now, you might be asking yourself, is all this effort really worth it? The answer is a resounding yes. This Arduino-powered irrigation system might seem like a bit of work to set up, but the long-term benefits are huge. Not only will we be saving water, which is becoming increasingly precious, but we'll also be saving money on our water bill. Plus, our plants will be healthier and happier because they'll be getting just the right amount of water they need to thrive. No more overwatering or underwatering. So there you have it. With a little bit of ingenuity and some readily available components, we can build a smart irrigation system that's good for our wallets and good for the planet. And that, my friends, is something worth getting excited about.